Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wahoo ELEMNT Bolt. First, download the Wahoo ELEMNT Companion app on your smartphone. Power on your Bolt and scan the QR code shown on its display. This will quickly pair your device via Bluetooth, allowing you to start the initial setup. You'll then enter your rider profile details, such as your weight and height, ensuring accurate data tracking from the very beginning. Next, let's customize your data pages. Open the ELEMNT Companion app and navigate to the Pages section. Here, you can easily drag and drop your preferred data fields to arrange them exactly how you like. With over 170 data fields available, including speed, power, and heart rate, you can create up to 10 custom pages. This allows you to tailor your display for various riding scenarios, ensuring you always see the most relevant information. Now let's connect your external sensors. In the ELEMNT Companion app, go to the Sensors menu. Choose Add New Sensor and make sure your external device, like a heart rate monitor or power meter, is awake. The Bolt supports both ANT Plus and Bluetooth Smart sensors, offering broad compatibility. You can connect various devices, including speed sensors, cadence sensors, and power meters, to gather comprehensive ride data. Finally, let's explore navigation and ride tracking. In the app's Workout tab, you can easily select or create routes. Sync these routes to your Bolt for clear, turn-by-turn navigation directly on your device. When you're ready to ride, simply press the Start button on your Bolt to begin recording your activity. After your ride, review all your detailed data and effortlessly share your activities with friends through the Companion app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.